Knowify doesn't show a single universal price because the cost depends on plan level, business size, and which construction management tools a company actually needs. By the end, you'll understand how Knowify pricing works, what drives the cost up, and whether it's actually worth it for small contractors versus growing construction businesses. Knowify is a construction management platform built for contractors who need to handle job costing, estimates, invoicing, project tracking, and scheduling in one system. Instead of one fixed subscription, pricing is structured around plan tiers that unlock different levels of features. Now, explain plan tiers. Plan tiers are different versions of the software where higher levels include more advanced tools for job tracking, reporting, and financial management. Lower tiers focus more on basic estimating and invoicing, while higher tiers are built for contractors managing multiple projects at once. Now explain what affects pricing. The main factor is the feature set included in the plan, since more advanced construction tools are grouped into higher tiers. The second factor is team size, because adding more users increases total cost as more people access the system. Now explain what you're actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one construction management system that replaces separate tools for estimating, job costing, invoicing, and project tracking. That matters because contractors often compare it to the combined cost of multiple software subscriptions instead of a single app. Now, explain who uses it. Knowify is mainly used by construction businesses, specialty contractors, and service-based trades that need to track project costs and manage multiple jobs at the same time. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because it is not based on one public number, but on how many tools a business activates and how complex its operations are. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking Knowify has a simple flat rate, when in reality, it scales based on both features and business structure. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Knowify pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow instead of focusing only on the monthly cost. Now, explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller contractors may not fully use the advanced job costing and project tracking features, which can make it feel expensive compared to simpler invoicing tools. Now, simplify it. Knowify pricing is based on business complexity, not a fixed subscription that stays the same for every contractor. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller contractors usually focus on estimating and invoicing, while larger construction teams benefit more because they can manage full project workflows in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for estimating, job costing, invoicing, and project tracking. Then compare them to what Knowify replaces in one platform. If Knowify replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two, a simpler tool is usually the better fit.